AUTOSAR. AUTOSAR. Virtual Functional Bus. Components. Component. The central structural element used when building a system at the VFB level is the component. There are several specialized software component types to describe specific software components used in the different parts of the AUTOSAR layered architecture. A software component is described by a software component description, which describes the properties of the software component, like ports, port interfaces, and behavior. To be specific, there are 3 different descriptions needed to describe a software component. Every component has well-defined ports, through which the component can interact with other components. A port always belongs to exactly one component and represents a point of interaction between a component and other components. The information that is produced or consumed in the AUTOSAR methodology is held in descriptions. The descriptions are saved as AR/XML files and are based on the AUTOSAR templates, which define the formal exchange format and the semantic constraints which go along with the exchange format. Various generators can utilize the information from the descriptions to support the configuration and generation of the runtime environment and the AUTOSAR basic software, including the operating system. If you want to learn more about AUTOSAR and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.